and we are shining, and we'll never be afraid.